What do you do when you want to rebuild with someone more than they want it? Dr. Debbie here. We have these open Q&A calls within the PBT Institute, and one of our members yesterday had this question where she's been betrayed. That's why she's there, and it's her husband, and he's just filled with so much shame and so much guilt, and he's just, he keeps saying, you deserve so much better than me, and whatever. And it's almost like she just wants him to do the whole whatever it takes, and she'd be willing to see if maybe they can have a different type of relationship. But he's not getting past that shame. And she was really struggling with this because she loves him. She wants the ability of giving him another chance, but he's so filled with shame, he's not even willing to sort of right the wrong. And she was really having a hard time seeing this. So I just said, okay, let's do this. Let's switch roles. I'm you, and you're coaching me. And now I'm coming to you, not even just 6 months after, a year after, but I still have this same question, 2, 3, 4, 5 years afterwards, because here's the thing, if nothing changes, nothing changes. And when she thought about it, because she's been going back and forth with this probably about 6 months to a year, and we always encourage never make a decision from a low place. Get to your best place physically, mentally, and emotionally, and you'll see things so clearly. And she's been definitely doing that. But when she realized that this has been the pattern for the last 6 months to a year, and the thought of doing this for longer, the only thing that happens is you start making yourself sick physically, mentally, and emotionally. You're spending all of this effort, all of this energy on why aren't they doing this? Why aren't they trying harder? Why aren't they? Well, they're not. But all that energy and effort spent on what they're doing is taking away from your healing. So what would it look like if instead of focusing on what they're doing, focusing in on, well, what can you do? What can you do with that time? What can you do with this healing space and this healing energy that you're in? It's a very different conversation when instead of the why are they doing something, what can I do to heal, starts taking over. I hope that helps.